Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Sweetie here and welcome to Sweet Trends TV. Alright guys, so trending in the news today, Nana Tornado finally meets with Rosemond Akuapem Brown and the moment is so lovely. Let's get right into the news. A couple of days ago, I brought you guys a story about Rosemond Brown and Nana Tornado. Now, the two had a little bit of friction, kind of like from Nana Tornado's side, because he insulted Rosemond Brown on live TV and Rosemond Brown had to come in. I did the video. If you haven't watched it, you can find it up here or in the description below. So in the trending video that's going viral, Nana Tornado is seen having a wonderful, lovely moment with Rosemond Brown, aka the Akuapem Poloo. And guys, you will not believe it. The video is amazing and would like to show it to you, so don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Yes, I'm here with the money, so I told you I'm going places, I'm still going places, and I'm his heartbeat. If you don't know, so if you wish he temper me, he will never temper me. You have him to catch him.
I don't know your Bible very well.
Alright guys, you've seen it for yourselves. Anybody who has trouble with Akuapem Poloo will have trouble with Nana Tornado. That's a cute moment, and they said they're going to hang out at Sky Bar after blah blah blah. We just hope that Nana Tornado does not add Rosemond Brown to his list of 900 women whom he slept with. I'm sure most of you have heard the news and it's something else, but guys, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Leave a like on the video and share. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Look, Southern Plains, all the dreams, we make that city proud though.